Hi, first of all, we want to thank everyone who involved in this project. We are grateful that we can complete our video and business idea for Magic Social Enterprise Track. We are from Kedai Seni and our idea is to gather all carpenter that operates individually without proper business conduct and workplace in one place. We introduce it as Woodsman Hub. By Woodsman Hub, carpenter, especially from rural area, will be exposed to sharing concept where this can overcome problem lacking of machine, transportation, manpower and showroom faced by the carpenter. Most of the skillful carpenter can translate their skill and arts into primary local market business because they are not exposed to social media marketing. Woodsman Hub will be the solution for local carpenter problem.